You want to know how to schedule out content on your Facebook profile? It is by far one of my most favorite things to do as a social seller because it allows me to be present on the platform without actually having to be on Facebook. The Parisi Pack. Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to use Content Scheduler. There's Content Scheduler AI, and then there's a regular version as well, so you can pick the one that you want. For more information on both of these softwares, go to www.parisipack.com/content. Okay, so I'm big on batching out and scheduling my content. Check out this video to learn more on how I batch in my business. And then check out this video on social media burnout and why I believe content batching is so important for social sellers. So let's dive into Content Scheduler and how this works. I'm going to show you exactly what is going on here. So let me share my screen, and here I am on Facebook. Okay. And Content Scheduler is just a little Chrome extension. So you can see the button right up here. I can see it says Content Scheduler AI has access to the site. So I am going to click the little blue button, and that pops open Content Scheduler. Okay. Now on the side here, you're going to see there's post types, tags, library, because one of the cool things about this software is it saves all the content you schedule. So if you want to go and reuse that content again, it's saved within Content Scheduler itself. So let's schedule a post. So if we want to do, say, an engagement post, and I can again click the type, so it's an engagement post. If I wanted to select a saved post, I could do that. Again, like I said, we're going to set the date and the time here in a moment. We could add tags. Okay, select where. I want to just do this right on my profile. It allows you to post into any group that you're a member of. Okay, it doesn't have to be a group that you're the admin of. All right, now you could repeat it. Okay, so say every 2 weeks I wanted to say, hey, do you want to know how to schedule content on your profile? I could just repeat that post. It also allows you to auto add a first comment, which is really cool. I do this with my YouTube videos every single week that I'm sharing on my profile, saying, hey, check out this video I made. It's super helpful. The link's in the first comment, and I add the link here. So let's set the time, and we'll pick today, and then we're going to just pick a couple minutes out from now. So we'll say 7:51. Okay, and say next. So we're going to do a color background because these are kind of fun. And I am just going to say, want to schedule out posts on your profile, and we'll do a little arrow sign pointing down, and then I'm going to click add. So I could add an image too. I could do AI if I wanted to as well. And I'm going to click add, and it says success. Okay, so in a minute, this is set to schedule on my profile. So let's see what happens. So while we're waiting to see this post pop up, remember, go to parisipack.com/content to find out more about Content Scheduler. I absolutely love this tool, and it saves me so much time. All right, here we are. So this post, it says just now, want to schedule out posts on your profile like this one, let me know, was just posted on social media, and it's just happening automatically. Pretty cool, right? Okay, so pop on over to parisipack.com/content for more on Content Scheduler. I hope you found this video helpful. Go to stephanieparisi.com if you want to see more things that I'm up to. And before you pop off my channel, check out either of these two videos that are popping up on the screen. They're here to help you win in your business. And I'll be back next week with another new video.